given that A equals log 7 and B equals log 2, express log 35 in terms of A and B. So in this video, I will show you in simple steps how to solve this question. Follow through. So log 35 can be expressed as log 7 times 5. 7 times 5, that's 35. So here we are going to apply multiplication law of logarithm. So log 7 plus log 5. That's multiplication law. Now, for log 7, so A is equal to log 7. So where we see log 7, we put A there plus log 5. So we are not given log 5. I'm going to simplify this. So this 5 can be expressed as 10 over 2. 10 over 2 will give us 5. So we can now say log 10 over 2. So here also, we are going to apply division law of logarithm. So we have A plus log 10 minus log 2. So now A plus log 10. So log 10, so the log are in what? Base 10. So log 10 to base 10, that will give us 1. So we have A plus 1 minus log 2. Log 2 is given as what? B. So let's rearrange this. So we are going to have A minus B plus 1. And that is the solution to this question. So log 35 is now expressed as A minus B plus 1. I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you in the next video.